Hey guys, welcome back to Luxurious Life, and today we're going to be talking about some of the best technologies that can make you rich. But before we begin with today's video, I want you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also make sure to go ahead and like this video as well, but without any further ado and without any more interruptions, let's go ahead and get right into today's brand new awesome video. In our world, technology is becoming more and more useful, and in this video we will show you some of the best technologies that you can use to become rich. Let's go ahead and get started. At number 1, we have to sell stuff online. Selling online is truly the great equalizer. The internet has given even people with meager budgets the opportunity to create products, services, or goods all online. You don't have to have a physical storefront, and it is possible to reach a worldwide audience. You could sell third-party products through Amazon or create your own website. If you want to have an e-commerce store, you can use e-commerce software such as Magento or Shopify. At number 2, we have digital marketing. If you don't want to sell products or create your own store, digital marketing is another option. Digital marketing is basically marketing any item through the internet. You can market your website, your services, or anything else you have to offer. Digital marketing will also apply to your online store, and the best way to get customers is to market your product. But there are many other ways to make money with digital marketing.
Content marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing.
At number 3, we have start a blog. Do you want to have the creative freedom to decide what you write and what you want to create? Starting a blog can employ your creative side to start a business. A blog can bring you money and recognition as well, and it is possible to earn through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and much more. Successful bloggers earn a few lakhs every month from their blogs. And even moderately successful blogs can bring a steady and very useful income to anyone. At number 4, we have starting a YouTube channel. Everything you could do through a blog or website, you can do through one video. In this age of internet celebrities, YouTube is a force to truly reckon with, and a lot of the big names we know today have come through YouTube and continue to be influential. Choose a niche for your videos and make appropriate but entertaining content that will keep your viewers spellbound. The list of topics and niches to choose is endless. You can create short videos, talk about movies, music, electronics, social issues, and a lot more.
Down here to channel status and feed.
At number 5, we have crypto. If you haven't heard of cryptocurrency, it's possible you've been sleeping under a big rock. A really big rock. Even though terms like crypto and Bitcoin are easily thrown around, not everyone actually understands what they truly mean, and a cryptocurrency is a form of peer-to-peer electronic cash. It's decentralized and it is not controlled by any one banking authority, and another way of looking at this is that a database no one can change without authority. At number 6, we have VR and AR. Virtual reality is still in its early days because the cost of the entry fee is still pretty high. Headsets are expensive, plus you need a pretty decent PC to actually power it. For digital artists, however, this can be a perfect place to set a foothold, and like we said earlier, anytime you could have a chance to become an early adopter of something, you should take it. There aren't that many VR developers running around, but the industry is predicted to hit revenues in excess of $50 billion by 2022. And at number 7, we have social media. We decided to include this as a last point because there is something worth mentioning here. Social media gets a bad rap because people are straight up using it wrong. They either collectively hate something in a Facebook group or complain about unrealistic body standards on Instagram. And what people don't use social media for is to create an audience. At the end of the day, that's the whole purpose, right? Connect people around a shared interest. And in conclusion, these technologies can really help you get rich, and you should definitely check them out. Well guys, that's all we have for you today, and thank you all so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already for more content like this and much more. We'll see you guys next time, and take care until then. Goodbye everyone.